Choo choo chick, choo choo chicks. Let's make cupcakes, red, yellow, pinks. First measure ingredients 1 to 6. Then stir it up, mix, mix, mix. Choo choo chicks, choo choo chicks. Bake the cupcakes with secret tricks. Pipe on the cream and chocolate chips. Sprinkle with love and frosting flips. Choo choo chicks, choo choo chicks. Dancing around with cupcake kicks. Have some fun and tasty treats. Cupcake magic, oh so sweet. Now set the table, plates in a row. Put on a smile, ready to go. Cupcakes smell so yummy and nice. Soft and fluffy like sugar and spice. Choo choo chick, choo choo chicks. Take a bite and do some tricks. Spin in a circle, hop 2 hops. Wiggle your tail and make it pop. Lick the frosting, chew and chew. Eat the red one, then the blue. Don't forget to share with friends. Cupcake fun